Hi, I'm Dylan from Sydney Stone, and today we're going to show you the Morgana DigiFold Pro. One of the great features of this machine is just how easy it is to set up, so let's show you how to do that now. The Morgana DigiFold Pro uses a 7-inch smart screen to set up all of our creasing and folding positions, as well as to set up any of the other features of the machine. Very simple to use. Along the bottom we've got a tab interface that will show us the different functions of the machine. For example, here we have the roller gap, here we have the crease position, here we have the folding positions, and we've got the delivery position. We can go into the saved folds and we can show you all the different saved jobs which are alphanumerically saved, and then we can go into some of the service functions. Back on the home screen you'll see in the main panel we've got the choice of all the different folds we might do on the machine, as well as very easy descriptions of the sheet length. On the right hand side it shows us what we're actually doing within the job. So here it tells us that we're doing creases, we're doing 2 of them, folding, 2 folds, and it shows us the delivery shingle. So far we haven't run any sheets, so it shows 0 for that. If I were to change from a letter fold to say a half fold, then the folds on the right hand side will all change. So here we can see we're now doing a half fold, we're doing a single crease only, and we're doing a single fold only. For sheet length, it's very easy to set up that I can simply press on this button and it opens up the calculator. If my sheet length were 10 inches, just simply enter 10, check mark, and now all the jobs will transition over for a 10-inch sheet. For example, here on the half fold, we'll now be folding at 5 inches as opposed to the 5.5 inches we were folding when it was an 11-inch sheet. For sheet thickness, the machine comes with a caliper reader. You put the caliper onto your paper, and then you simply enter in what the thickness of paper is, and that will automatically tell you where your roller gaps need to be. So for this example, we're using 0.012, so we'll check that off, and then we can go to the roller gap setting and set our roller gaps according to where theirs should be. In the brackets on the bottom is the recommended roller gap settings based on the thickness of paper, and then the yellow box on top is where the machine's actually set at. So it's an all digital roller gap setting. As we say, the machine's very simple to run. Simply press the green button and we're ready to go now. Okay, here we are. What we're going to do is we're going to run a job here for you. This is an 8.5/11 sheet of paper, and I've already set up the feeder. And we'll do a half fold on this one. And then once we've run 25 sheets, we'll switch over to the next job to show you how easy it is to change the jobs over. So there we have 25 sheets. Now we'll switch over to an 11/17 job. We'll make that a letter fold instead, and we'll show you how quick it is to change over. So undo the side stop, put our sheets in. Always put a little bit of space on the one side so we're not putting too much pressure on the paper as it goes through. Our side stop back on here, and now all I do on the touch screen is enter 17 inches, check, and then we'll do a letter fold this time instead. So there we go, turn the machine on. I've got the output for both of these jobs that we've run, And as you can see, there's absolutely no cracking, and the fold positions are perfect. The letter fold job, you saw that get set up from start to finish, and there were no micro adjustments at all, but it's a nice, clean, perfect fold, and absolutely no cracking of a stock, and no curl at all.